Two game-changing tools. One big question. Which one is going to dominate the future of text to video? Is it OpenAI Sora or is it Google's Veo 2? Let's break this down and settle this debate. When Sora was first announced, it felt like the future arrived. Like text to video in the details that it had talked about. Like there were some, we saw the early Will Smith video with the spaghetti. Y'all remember that? We saw some text to video, but it was trash. I'm not gonna lie. But when Sora was announced, it seemed like, okay, they got it right this time. But it took months to come out. And so, of course, there's going to be different competitors that is going to arise. Google's Veo was one of them. And the first version wasn't that bad, but it wasn't Sora. But now that Sora is finally out, it seems as if a week later, Google said, nah, I got something for that too. And the videos are kind of, well, I'm going to actually let you decide. So in this video, I'm going to take you inside of a live that I did that really compares both tools, Sora and Google's Veo 2. And honestly, it's kind of impressive. So let's get right into the debate. Google dropped a new tool called Veo 2. Look at this real quick. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Let me see if I can make this. Somebody look at this. So this right here is created by Google's new, let me stop. That's probably a bad place to stop. This is gonna stop anyways, right? This is done by Google's new updated text to video feature called Veo 2. I'm gonna show you what that is, but look how real this is. And this is still like low quality. Okay, because this is ripped from a ripped video and all this stuff, right? So these are people vlogger style. That's wild. You know what I mean? Now, of course, you could like if you look, like we've been trained to this, so we look at it. We're like, yeah, this is AI, Nicky. This is absolutely AI. Like, however, to the untrained eye, you feel me? Untrained eye, this could be a little scary. Let's be a little scary. Now, as we remember, like OpenAI came out with Sora. So that's what we were messing with a couple of weeks ago. But we know the movement and the realism sometimes isn't as detailed as this one. So if we're thinking about as business owners, as people who have brands, content creators, like, yo, how do I promote my content? Not my content, but how do I promote my business, my products, my services? How do I get more people to champion some of the things that I'm doing? This is interesting. Real quick, if this video is adding any kind of value to you, I got a newsletter called Content Corner, and it is fire. It has the latest content tips, AI tools, infographics, everything that you're going to need for your content journey. Go into the description. It's free. All right, let's get back into this video. Tell me which one's better. The one on the left or one on the right? Okay? One on the left or one on the right? I think they're both really good. I'm not gonna lie. Both are really good. Let me play this again. I was feeling the music. I'll play it a little bit. Yeah, one on the left, one on the right. Willie says the right. Manifest Vision says the right. That video of the guy eating noodles is perfect comparison to the potential. Fact. Right. Okay, some of y'all saying the right. Lewis says both. Okay. Come on. All right, so that's the new Google joint. All right, so y'all liking the new Google joint, right? Looks more realistic. All right, let's keep going. Let's do. All right, top or bottom? Which one do you like better? I'm guessing this is a coffee shop type vibe. Top or bottom? All right. Now I'm doing it without the music, just so y'all can see again. Top or bottom? What we doing? Okay. I don't know. Like, I think it's more of a style kind of vibe right now. Sora didn't really show any people like how Veo did, but I think it's more of like a style because like the Sora one gives me kind of like a cinematic situation going on. But that one was tough for me. That one was, yeah, I don't know. You feel me? Better lighting. How we got the Sora characters is opening his mouth too soon. It's facts. Dave says that's tough. You feel me? The bottom. Okay. We got top. We got bottom. We got both. We got both. We got both but top. Top. See? Nicky, you should do Sora, Kling, Veo, Runway, all in the verses. May have to make that happen. May have to make that. I haven't really tried Kling. You feel me? Veo is clearer. Makes it more realist. Yeah, the coffee angle on the bottom was off. Come on with the details. That's why I'm asking y'all. I'm not asking me. All right. Left or right? Oh, that was quick. Okay, we'll do 2 cards. Which one's better? Okay, both styles. We'll do this one first. Left or right? I don't know. I've never been in a car that moves that way where it's like, but then again, I'm not mudding with a small little bitty car either. So, I don't know. Left or right? Left or right? So, we got right on that one. We got left. I'm not mad at that. Okay, Sora got one. Okay. So now when it comes to the race cars, left or right? For me, I would wait. What's that? What's that on its hand? I don't know if it's a him or her. So it's hand. Sora feels more like a video game. Well, both of them give me video game style, but hold on, mom is texting. My mom was like, "Wait, they're not real? They're not real? Hold on." Sora is not ready. Ooh, that sound like fighting words. You feel me? Sound like fighting words. So okay, so you get the point, kind of where like Google's coming for OpenAI's head with this one. That's where I'm like, I want to point out. All right, so who got the throne right now? Is it OpenAI Sora or is it Google's Veo 2? You let me know. Drop it in the comments. I would love to know because I'm kind of torn. I'm not gonna lie. And I got more videos coming out, but first, go check this one out.